Alright, so today we are going for a family bike ride down at the marina here in Sparks, Nevada. I got my mountain bike. Mommy's on her trek. Leia is in the Allen trailer. And my other two boys, where are they at? Logan's on the Diamondback Response. And Dylan's on his BMX bike, the North Rock. We're gonna go for a ride here in Sparks, Nevada. It's nice down here. Got a lot of trees and water and ducks. There's a guy out there kayaking. We got 2 lanes here. It's pretty cool. It's like a little pier. You can go fishing. I'm gonna go check it out. Alright, so me and Dylan are gonna take a look at the dock. Oh, look at that. There's just reeds down here. Oh.
Dragonfly. It's a dragonfly.
It's pretty cool. And that's where Shields is over there. It's like a Bass Pro Shop.
Where are those ducks?
I don't know. Look at all those birds. What kind of birds are those? I see a seagull and a pigeon. I don't know what the other ones are. Wow, look at all these geese. And there's a guy out there fishing. They got a dog run here. That's kind of cool. Only dogs can go in this part right here. And it's fenced in so they can't get lost. You can throw your toys in the water. Like that little, I don't know what that is. That little dog jumped in the water and got his toy. Down here is where Target and Shields and Legends shopping mall is at, which is a big open air mall with movie theaters and restaurants and shopping. It's pretty cool. And walking trails all the way to the neighborhoods. Follow Logan.
Oh, you should say sorry, Daddy, for getting attitude. Sorry, Daddy, for getting attitude. Oh, everybody. Look at this guy.
Wow, he's right here, right on the water. He's got an apartment right on the water. It's like you're in the Bay Area or you're in the San Diego or something. It's nice. This is actually Nevada, but it feels like it's in California. Going across the bridge. Oh, look, there's a little canal down there. That's cool. If you live down here, you can live on the canal. Or you could live right on the marina. Looks like they're building more too. I don't know if this is going to be living or if this is a restaurant. Looks like living. Like somebody can live here. Oh, they got a little something right here, like a cafe. And more apartments. And people's little boats. These apartments are nice. This is ideal for the person who doesn't want to maintain a yard and they want to be in close proximity to a lot of entertainment. Right here, you could literally just walk to the movies or shopping. It's actually really convenient if you don't have a big family. So down here are the beaches. Looks like you can play volleyball down here. That's cool. Oh, look at all the seagulls. They're looking for something to eat. There's like a gazebo down here. There's another beach. Make a right. Make a right. Go in the sand. Go in the sand.
What?
Yeah, go in there.
What?
You can ride bikes in there. You have dirt bikes.
He doesn't.
Yeah, he does.
So why are you closing the gap? Stop closing the gap.
Okay, go down here and then turn around. Oh, look, there's a sign right here. Sparks. This is the inner cove of the marina. No fishing allowed. It's kind of cool. It's like a little peninsula. You can chill out in here, play volleyball, ride bikes, go for a walk. It's nice down here. Nice views.
I was in the sand.
Alright, so
Like,
thanks for watching. Hit that like to support my channel. I appreciate it. Helps me out a lot.